Hi there, today we have iPhone 13. Let's just open the box and see what we get in iPhone 13. This is iPhone 13 Product Red, which has more deep red color when compared to other Product Red iPhones. Let's just keep this aside and check what's inside the box. We have one cable which is Lightning to Type-C, and we also have one SIM ejecting tool, one Apple sticker and one Product Red card. Nothing else apart from that. Now let's talk about the display of iPhone 13. This has 6.1-inch Super Retina HDR OLED display with 60Hz of refresh rate. No ProMotion technology in iPhone 13. ProMotion comes only with iPhone 13 Pro and iPhone 13 Pro Max. ProMotion gives you 120Hz of refresh rate depending on what you do, and it can go as low as 10Hz to save the battery life. iPhone 13 has 800 nits of brightness at a normal condition, which can go up to 1200 nits when you're watching a HDR content. iPhone 13 also has 20% smaller notch. Now let's talk about the cameras. iPhone 13 has advanced dual camera system with the lens arranged diagonally. It has 12 megapixel wide camera with f1.6 aperture and 12 megapixel ultra wide camera with f2.4 aperture. iPhone 13 also has biggest wide camera sensor. This camera have sensor shift optical image stabilization, helps keep shots steady even when you are moving. This also has an cinematic mode in video recording for rack focus, shift focus from one object to other object. This can also record HDR 10-bit 4K video up to 60 fps. Coming to the selfie camera, iPhone 13 has 12 megapixel selfie camera on the front with the true depth camera with f2.2 aperture. Coming to its RAM and processor, iPhone 13 has 4 GB of RAM and A15 Bionic chipset, which is 5nm chipset. A15 have 6-core CPU with 2 high performance and 4 high efficiency cores along with 4-core GPU and 16-core neural engine. A15 is the fastest CPU in any smartphone. This is IP68 certified. Coming to its battery, iPhone 13 has 3240 mAh battery. Apple says iPhone 13 gives you 2.5 hours of more battery life than iPhone 12, which means this has 19 hours of video playback time now. iPhone 13 weighs only 174 grams. iPhone 13 comes with flat edge design, which is similar to iPhone 12 with slightly big camera lens and with smaller notch at the front. This iPhone was purchased from Imagine Store, which is an authorized reseller for Apple in India. iPhone 13 costs you close to 80,000 rupees. I will have a detailed comparison between iPhone 12 and iPhone 13 soon.